In an era where you can buy a new truck for $20,000, Toyota is preparing a groundbreaking move that will shock the entire industry. The Hilux Champ is a small pickup designed for daily tasks, but the best is yet to come. Toyota CEO announces the starting price of just $12,000 for the pickup truck. There's more about the Hilux Champ that will wow everybody. The truck is already available outside of the US. The Toyota Hilux Champ is an all-new variant of the famous Hilux truck, probably the most durable vehicle you'll find outside of the United States. While the nameplate itself dates back to 1968, earning a reputation for an indestructible ride across the globe, the Champ is yet to prove its reliability, but it starts small from Southeast Asia. You'll find this pickup if you visit Thailand, while in Indonesia it's known as the Rangga or Tamarau in the Philippines. The Champ shares the name with the Hilux, but it's a totally different vehicle, starting from exterior and interior designs to powertrain options and purpose. When the Toyota Hilux Champ joins the North American lineup, it'll fit under the Tacoma, offering a smaller, more affordable alternative for those prioritizing fuel economy and simplicity over size and power. Think of it as a lightweight contender for those who need an inexpensive truck that can handle daily jobs. Why the US market needs the Hilux Champ. In recent years, there's a growing interest for smaller, more affordable trucks in the United States. Prices going up and demand for compact pickups like the Ford Maverick and Hyundai Santa Cruz have created the perfect opportunity for Toyota to introduce the Hilux Champ. With a shockingly low price tag, the truck will draw attention of budget-conscious buyers looking for an undersized but practical vehicle, small business owners who need reliable transportation for light-duty hauling without too much fancy stuff, and younger truckers and newbies eager to enter the segment. The Hilux Champ will cover all these groups, offering an economical option as an alternative to expensive heavy haulers. Smaller and simple, yet practical. The new model will definitely draw a lot of attention in a market where trucks have grown larger, taller, and more aggressive over the years. As many buyers find maneuvering bulky vehicles in tight urban spaces a tough task, the compact size of the upcoming pickup is a refreshing shift back to practicality. The new truck can meet the demands of a wider audience. The Champ is perfectly sized for city life, where parking spaces are limited and narrow streets can make larger trucks a headache to navigate. A smaller body makes it ideal for quick urban deliveries. They'll eliminate size-related inconveniences. Not only city streets, but the Hilux Champ will also do an excellent job off the road. While larger trucks like the Tacoma dominate rugged trails, their size can sometimes become a liability in tight spaces, such as wooded paths or rocky inclines. The Champ's smaller frame allows it to get through such terrain thanks to its agility. Dimensions and configurations. The Toyota Hilux Champ is a pioneer of a new niche in the US truck market. Globally, the pickup is available in 3 configurations. However, American truckers have specific demands, so Toyota will shift focus on the smallest global variant, the chassis cab version, which is 185 inches long. This is the model that'll shock the US market. Its stripped-down design suits the needs of international markets where bare-bones functionality is prioritized, so the Japanese company will have to revisit it for American buyers who expect models equipped with factory-installed beds that better align with local demands. With a standard wheelbase, the Hilux Champ stretches 195 inches in length. The Ford Maverick is just 4 inches longer. That is already a compact pickup whose price is significantly higher. To compete with the Maverick, Toyota can't go with a bare Champ. The long wheelbase version extends the overall length to 209 inches, making it a better choice for buyers who prioritize cargo space. The additional length translates into a larger bed if you need to haul bigger loads. Despite its extended dimensions, the long wheelbase model is still smaller than the 213-inch Tacoma. The Toyota Hilux Champ will come exclusively with a 2-door cab configuration. That means the cabin won't offer too much extra space, while every inch of the overall length will be squeezed for more room in bed. Powertrains, 3 options. 3 engines are available for the Hilux Champ. Buyers in the US won't see a diesel, that's for sure, but the company is going to offer an alternative, most likely a hybrid drivetrain. The entry-level setup uses a 2-liter petrol mill that delivers 137 horsepower and 135 pound-feet of torque. A 5-speed manual gearbox sends power to the rear wheels. Optionally, you could upgrade to the 2.7-liter gas unit that enhances outputs to 165 horsepower and 181 pound-feet. This configuration is an excellent choice if you need a balance between performance and fuel economy. The 2.7-liter engine has enough muscle for everyday hauling and outdoor adventurers. The best performance comes with a 2.4-liter diesel. The power output is not impressive, but the torque makes the oil burner a favorite choice globally. This powertrain can produce 253 pound-feet mated to a manual transmission or up to 295 pound-feet when you're using a 6-speed automatic gearbox. A hybrid system could replace the diesel in the US. Still, it has big shoes to fill, with a towing capacity of the truck reaching 5,500 pounds. The Hilux Champ can surpass key rivals like the Honda Ridgeline, Ford Maverick, and Hyundai Santa Cruz with these numbers. And the impressive capability positions the truck as one of the most practical compact models on the market, delivering mid-size level performance in a smaller body with a significantly lower price tag. If the hybrid engine manages to offer similar towing capacity with enhanced gas mileage, the Hilux Champ will become a game changer in the entire truck industry. Is the Hilux Champ the new compact truck that'll rival the Maverick and Santa Cruz? This truck enters the US market at a crucial moment, possibly slotting into the growing compact pickup segment, currently dominated by the Ford Maverick. Nobody could predict that there were so many buyers looking for practicality, affordability, and a model that's maneuverable in urban areas. With the Maverick leading sales and the Santa Cruz being the sole alternative, Toyota sees an opportunity to extend its dominance from the midsize market into the new category. The company has long been a leader with the Tacoma, but the small pickup class is a different challenge. Maverick and Santa Cruz have proven that buyers are eager for trucks that are easier to park, cheaper to run, and less expensive to buy. The Hilux Champ should align with all these priorities of American buyers. The standard wheelbase model, measuring 195 inches in length, positions it perfectly within this segment. It's just an inch shorter than the Santa Cruz, which has gained popularity for its versatility, and the fact that it's 5 inches shorter than the Maverick, which dominates sales with its blend of affordability and features. Toyota's challenge will be balancing size and cost. The global Hilux Champ lineup includes a chassis cab model that'll try to steal the show at its price. However, it's only 185 inches long, which is significantly shorter than both small pickups currently available in the US. Joining the subcompact truck segment is a bold move, and we're not sure if buyers are ready for that. However, Toyota is known for strategic market research before any move, so if they pull this off, that means that there are drivers interested in very small pickups. How can it cost $12,000? The Toyota Hilux Champ is making headlines with its remarkably low starting price of just $12,000. However, there's more to this figure than meets the eye. That entry-level price applies to the chassis cab configuration. In essence, it's a blank canvas, ideal for those who want to transform the pickup into a custom hauler, service vehicle, or even an ice cream truck. While this opens up a world of possibilities, it also means additional investment is required to finish the ride, making the $12,000 price tag more of a starting point than a final figure. This isn't unique to the Hilux Champ. The automotive market is filled with base versions of vehicles that attract attention to their low prices, but rarely leave dealership lots in that configuration. Entry-level grades often lack many basic features, forcing buyers to upgrade to higher trims or add optional packages that quickly inflate the price. This strategy is common across all segments, but is particularly noticeable in trucks, where features like upgraded infotainment systems, all-wheel drive, and towing packages are sold as extras. When it comes to compact trucks, the Hilux Champ faces stiff competition from the Ford Maverick and Hyundai Santa Cruz. Both start at around $24,000 in their most basic configurations, but those models are far from stripped down. Ford and Hyundai offer a host of features even in this form. To be a serious contender, the Hilux Champ's standard wheelbase model will need to enter the market at a similar price point, which means the $12,000 chassis cab is unlikely to represent what most buyers will see on dealer lots. To get a fully functional Hilux Champ, optional upgrades are required, and each add-on is a step further from the promised price that draws so much attention. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.